friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to be discussing about an important question that everyone asks. Is it worth it to spend more than a crore to become a pilot in India? The decision to invest a significant amount of money, such as more than a crore, to become a pilot in India ultimately depends upon your dream, aspirations, personal circumstances, and also your financial capabilities. Here are a few factors to consider. The cost of pilot training. Pilot training can be expensive. It involves various expenses such as your flight school fees, aircraft rental, instructional material, medical examinations, and your licensing fees. The cost can vary depending upon the type of aircraft, the flight hours required, and the flying school you choose. Research and gather information on the specific costs involved in pilot training in India or in whichever country you would want to go, and you make an informed decision. Now coming to the return on investment. Consider the potential return on investment in the aviation industry. While pilot salaries can vary depending on factors such as experience, airline, and aircraft type, it is generally considered as a rewarding and a stable career. Research the current job market for pilots in India, salary ranges, and employment opportunities to assess the potential return on your investment. The next is passion for aviation. Pursuing a career as a pilot requires a genuine passion for aviation and flying. If flying is your true passion and you can envision yourself in the career as a pilot, the investment may be more worthwhile to you personally. You can also look for alternative career paths. You can explore alternative paths to becoming a pilot, like, for example, joining the Air Force or the military, or maybe even pursuing scholarships or sponsorships offered by the airlines or aviation organizations. And last but not the least, very important, financial planning. Consider your financial situation and determine whether you have the means to afford the pilot training without compromising your financial stability or even without taking excessive debts. It is essential to carefully evaluate your budget and consider financing options such as loans or scholarships if necessary. I hope you find my video useful. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Golden Epaulettes. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!